back at the National Museum for the second day of the Greenpeace Make Something week, and let's go inside and start the day.
If I had a chance, I'd take it faster than a heartbeat. If I caught a glance, I'd run to you like nobody was watching. But it's so hard to get to you, 'cause when you see the sun, I see the moon. Buckets of water, millions.
Kita dari Fitpack. Fitpack itu tas belanja foldable yang kita buat dari waste textile. Nah, waste textile ini tuh berarti yang kita maksud adalah waste textile dimana kalau misalkan dari pabrik itu kan ada bahan-bahan yang tidak lolos dalam proses QC atau standar tertentu. Nah, bahan-bahan itu yang kita pakai untuk pembuatan Fitpack. Untuk warnanya colorful sekali. Jadi kalau misalkan mau beli bisa kunjungi Instagram kita atau bisa lihat lewat Shopee ataupun Tokped. Terima kasih. Terima kasih.
Maybe one day we can break the distance. I know it's hard for everyone to understand it, but you're in my heart, even though it feels like we got stranded. And I wish I could get to you, see you face to face without a screen cutting through. Buckets of water, millions of clouds, miles of road just to get where you are. I wish it wasn't so far. Thousands of dollars just to be near, countless thoughts of you being here. Oh, I wish it wasn't so hard. But maybe one day we can break the distance. Clouds, will you please help me out? I need to go and see them now.
We have wrapped up the second day of Make Something Week by Greenpeace and also Vivo. I have had a great 2 days. I've learned so much from various practitioners of environmental causes. Today I did a composting classes and also a little bit of how to make permaculture. It was really informative. And if you also want to know what I shared about clothes swapping and also upcycling, you should check out the part 1 of this 2-part video. And I hope that the things that I have shared with you is informative and also would encourage you to live a more less waste life that will definitely be beneficial for our environment wherever you are on Earth. See you in the next video. Bye!